Hey guys, it's Transil Day here, and I'm going to tell you my trip to Domino Park, which is in Brooklyn, New York. And so that's the Williamsburg Bridge to your left. I got some good pictures of those. That's the water by Domino Park. And so, this is basically going to be my experience and what Domino Park basically looked like. So we have some photos of the Williamsburg Bridge. And of course, my feet in the sand, because you all love to see my feet. This is the syrup tanker. This is where they held the syrup. And getting a bit more into the history of Domino Park, the reason why it's called Domino Park is because it's by the old domino factory. So it's basically a domino factory, but they turned it into a park. So that's basically why it's called Domino Park. Now this is the fog bridge. It spits out fog like every 10 minutes or 5 minutes. I'm not sure 150 intervals. But it's pretty cool. I have no idea. You all want to see me walk across the bridge.
You would have thought it. But like it was the more common skateboard. Then now like
they have a little fountain with there's so many kids there. And leading back to so many kids, they have this little playground. Now the reason why I decided to invade on these little kids' privacy is because when I was observing it, I saw these kids were so cramped in this small park, so I wanted to record it. You can't really see it that well, but the tube leading from the big blue to the wooden house, that's where all the kids was. It's like a two-way kid catastrophe. Down to your left, that's where you can eat. They have a little taco place. But this is me explaining where we went. So we went down here. We went all the way down here. Syrup tanks. So went through the fog bridge. Down. All the way down here. Go up this ramp. All the way up there. Go down the steps. And now, well, I actually went this way, but just past it, and now we're right here. Time to go home. You know me having to show a train, so here is your train for this video.